Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn lead gen forms with HubSpot integration step by step clearly. Open your web browser and log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager dashboard. Select the account associated with the lead gen forms you wish to restore. Once in the dashboard, click on the Lead Gen Forms section. Identify the specific lead gen form that you want to restore. Click on the form to open its details. Review the form settings to understand its previous configurations. Next, open a new tab and log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing section in HubSpot. From the drop-down, select Lead Capture and then Forms. Look for the integration settings within HubSpot. Ensure that LinkedIn is connected as an integrated app in HubSpot. If not, follow the prompts to establish the connection. Once the connection is established, return to your LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Revisit the Lead Gen Forms section. Locate the form you need to restore. Click on the button to copy the form settings or data. Return to HubSpot and begin entering the copied data into a new form. Verify that all field types and settings match the original LinkedIn form. Customize any additional settings as needed within HubSpot. Save the newly created form in HubSpot. Navigate back to LinkedIn to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Test the restored lead gen form by submitting a dummy entry. Check your HubSpot account to confirm that the dummy entry has been captured. If the entry appears in HubSpot, your form restoration process is successful. You can now utilize the restored lead gen forms for your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.